Local news for Tuesday the 30th of July. Masterton is hosting a candidate information evening tonight for anyone considering standing for local government. Nominations are open for potential candidates and close at noon on August the 16th. Tonight's evening is being held at the Masterton District Council. Carla Montgomery from Lavish Hair Design is in the finals for the Lust Colour Competition. The Lust Semi-Permanent Colour Comp 2019 winners and People's Choice winner will be announced on Monday the 19th of August. The full program for this year's New Zealand International Film Festival has been revealed. 36 feature-length films from 15 countries will screen over 15 days, beginning on Wednesday the 28th of August. Programmer Sandra Reid says the New Zealand International film fans in Masterton are also in for a treat in this year's program, including Claire Dennis's sci-fi opus High Life and British comedy classic Kind Hearts and Coronets. And in sport, the Wairarapa United men suffered a 3-0 loss at the hands of Western Suburbs at the weekend, while the women claimed a 1-0 win over Seatoon. And in hockey, the Dalefield men scored a 7-1 win over Hutt, while the women went down 4-3. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.